Welcome to this quick guide where I'll show you how to check your Chime balance effortlessly. Whether you're a new Chime user or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Chime app on your smartphone. Make sure you've downloaded it from your app store if you haven't already. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and sign into your account using your login credentials. If you've set up fingerprint or facial recognition, this process will be even quicker. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. Right at the top, you should see your available balance. This is the total amount of money you have in your account that's ready to use. It's prominently displayed so you can easily keep track of your funds at a glance. For those who want more details than just the available balance, tap on your checking account. This action will bring up a detailed breakdown of your balance, including recent transactions. It's a handy feature that allows you to see where your money is going and helps you budget more effectively. You can scroll through your transaction history to get a comprehensive view of your spending patterns. If you also have a savings account with Chime and you'd like to check that balance as well, you can easily switch over. Look for the option to navigate to your savings account within the app. A simple tap will take you there, and you'll be able to view your current savings balance along with any recent transactions that have occurred. And that's it! You've successfully checked your Chime balance. It's a straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to look and how to navigate the app can save you time and effort. Now you can stay on top of your finances with just a few taps on your phone. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your finances with Chime.